All right, good morning, Algebra 2 students. Happy Digital Learning Day. So obviously we're not in school today, but I just wanted to quickly go over what we're doing today. We're just doing a review and a quiz, same as we would have been doing if we were in class. So this video should have everything you need to get ready for the quiz. I encourage you to go through it, do the questions on pencil and paper while you're watching the video. Participating with the questions is going to be the best thing that'll help you be ready for the quiz, and it's also more interesting than sitting there watching the video. Okay, the quiz is open. Just dive in there and do that. Remember, you can use any notes you have. You can use that little half sheet of paper and a calculator. If you don't have your little half sheet of paper, where is it? Well, I will post it on here. Oh, no, there it is. Powers table right at the top. So if you click on that, that's that little half sheet from class if you need it. And then if you don't have a calculator for doing like cube roots and stuff, you can just use Google. Just type like 4th root of 81 or something, and it'll get you it right there. So you can use that if you need. Just remember again, you gotta think it through, because like the 4th root of 81 is both positive and -3. So don't be fooled by that. All right, that's it. I'll be around all day if you have any questions. All right, have a good day.